So I have the 17 Pro by Espresso, their touchscreen 4K display. If you haven't seen my other videos, check those out in the link at the end there. I have the stand, and then I have the display case stand, and I'll be covering both of these in this video. And let's get into it. I'm gonna move the display out of the way carefully here for a minute. I'll just tuck it carefully behind me. So the first one is just a kind of a kickstand here, and it's the Stand Pro. So I do have the stand for the Touch 15 or the 15 touch display, but this new one I think is supposed to be a little bit different here. So we'll take a look. It's got some neat features as far as what I've heard. We'll get this unboxed. Got More Anywhere Stand Pro. I will put the links, and the pricing will be available for that. You know, prices can change, so I don't want to say the price right now because those prices may change, and if you find it on Amazon or their website, there might be a difference. If it's an Amazon link, I do have an affiliate link down there that you can use to buy anything on Amazon. So if you want to do that and help out the channel, that'd be great. So here is the stand. It's got this nice color. It's nice kind of black color to match. Let me get my lighting adjusted there. Ooh, very nice. Looks like it's got a nice rubber grip there, and of course the base has a rubber grip as well. And it just kind of unfolds. So one way you can use it is there's this kickstand thing back here. So you can kick that up and then put this at an angle, and then take your display, and magnetically it just really oh, the magnets are strong on that. It's lifting that up right with it. So you can have it tilted for writing on it. The other thing you can do, and I'll take this off here, is bring it up, and we'll kind of kick it up here. So you can put it at different angles, get it up more like a monitor would be, or whatever angle you want. So we'll just get it at an angle there. And it just magnetically attaches. So I'll kind of flip it around so you can take a look here at what it looks like from the back. Very strong there. Magnets are holding it, you know, it's not gonna go anywhere. That's one issue I kind of had with the older model, is the magnets weren't as strong. But the way that this is designed, and you see that there's kind of an indent in here as well. Let me get the monitor off. But you see that there's kind of that indent. So when you close it, those hinges go nicely together, and it folds flat. Perfect package here to be able to throw it in your bag. And so that's that one. Now, the one that I'll probably use most often out and about, because I would take this one and have it on my desk here. But the one that I use mostly with my 15-inch display, and stay true to the channel for comparisons between the 15-inch with a 1080p display and this 17-inch with a 4K display, and some demos and some discussions on that as well. Of course, you know I like to do my tech discussions, so stay tuned to that. So we're just gonna kind of rip this packaging open. Get that plastic off from there. So it's called the Case 17. So this is for the 17-inch. So you can get a smaller and lower resolution monitor as well on their website. I'll have their website linked, as well as like Amazon links down below. And so with this one, it's, as you can kind of see in the image, it's like a folio stand. So we bring this around to the back. Actually, we don't. This just kind of comes out of this box. Let me get it out of the box here. A little bit of a struggle doing this behind the camera. I'll get it. There we go. So it opens up, and it's got this nice material to it, this nice texture, kind of a leather feel to it. And then you got like this hinge right here. So then the inside of it, this side is like a felt material, nice and soft. So what we're gonna do is you'll get your monitor here, and obviously make sure there's nothing on the surface that might scratch it. I do have a screen protector on there, but still don't want to scratch this up. And we're gonna set this down carefully here. And then we attach it, and it attaches to the edge. So what we'll do is this side that's felt goes to the inside. So actually I'm gonna tip this up here. We're gonna put it right side up like this. So get that felt side that protects the screen. It just magnetically connects. So it protects your monitor while you're out and about. So now your monitor is kind of protected, you know, really nice protection for it there. Then what you can do is flip it around. And we can kind of temp mode it here. So we're going to tip that, and you'll see that it props it up. So now it's propped up, and as you'll see from the side, you can put it at different angles if you want. The other way you can kind of use that, if you would like, is while on the go, we can just kind of lay it flat, and then it protects the back side of the monitor while you're using it on a table. But it's got that nice felt material on the inside, so it will protect it. And it's just got their logo right there, so not a lot on it. And this material, it's pretty easy to just wipe off and keep clean. You'll keep one of their cloths with you and just wipe it off. Or take you can take like a little damp cloth and wipe it down. So if you're interested in either the folio style or the kickstand style, check out the links down below. Also, check out the Espresso website for all the products that they have. Check out the playlist at the end here for all Espresso content, as well as the suggested one up above here for more content on my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post more content. Thumbs up would be appreciated. Peace, love. I don't only talk tech, I live it. See you in the next one.